Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is August 5th, 2026, and today I'll show you exactly how to buy Twitch followers from Followers Panda step by step. If you've never used a Twitch growth service before, don't worry. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from choosing the right package to placing your order and explaining the important settings you should pay attention to before you check out. Whether you're just researching or planning to buy Twitch followers, this guide will help you understand the process clearly and avoid common beginner mistakes. Let's jump straight in. Welcome to this tutorial. As you can see right here on the screen, this Twitch account currently does not have any followers. We are going to change that today and walk through the entire process step by step so you can see exactly how it works in real time, taking you from 0 followers to a much higher count in just a few minutes. First, we will head over to Google and type Followers Panda into the search bar. Go ahead and click on the very first link that appears in the search results to open up their website. Once you are on the home page, click on the Buy Twitch Followers button. As you scroll through the page, you will notice they offer a wide variety of packages, scaling all the way up to 10,000 followers, depending on exactly what you need for your channel. Taking a look at their exclusive features, Followers Panda has been in the market since 2019. They offer instant delivery, typically processing everything within 60 seconds. They also provide 100% real followers, meaning the accounts have actual names and profile photos rather than looking like standard bot accounts. Plus, you get access to their 24/7 support team if you ever need assistance along the way. In this tutorial, we will select the 100 followers package. Click on Buy, and then simply copy the username of the Twitch account you want to grow. Paste that username right into the designated box. Next, paste your email address. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions and click Proceed to checkout. Now it is time to verify your account. Open your email inbox and look for an OTP sent by Followers Panda. Copy that code, paste it back into the website, create a secure password for your account, and click Proceed to checkout once more. You will then see 3 payment options available: credit card via Stripe, PayPal, and crypto. For this demonstration, I have already added $100 to my wallet balance. I will just refresh the page to show that the funds are available. Now simply click on Pay with Wallet to finalize the transaction. Your order is now successful. If you click on View Order, you will see it is marked as pending, but it processes in less than a minute. Let's check back on the Twitch account to see the results. After a quick refresh, the follower count has already jumped to 148. Let's refresh it one more time, and as you can see, the account now has 250 followers. Panda completely works for buying active and real Twitch followers quickly, and that's the complete process. I hope this walkthrough made it easier to understand how Followers Panda works and what to expect before ordering. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments for freebies. I post honest Twitch growth guides, reviews, and tutorials every week to help creators grow smarter. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and peace.